I am making, because we do supplies, and unfortunately I am out of our standard fillings right now. I'm actually going to be using some of ours for a customer who is in need right now, rather than just saying we're out of stock. Oh yeah. What was that, Sharon? Exactly.
Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm coming to get some supplies from the cake store, and these are wonderful folks. They got great business, good food, and they'll get you whatever you need. And it's Simply Cake, and they're great people. Come on over here and get what you need.